Now, I know a lot of you have been waiting for this video and I'm back with 4 home screen setups. As always, you're going to need Nova Launcher and KWGT Widgets Pro to set all of this up. And if you don't know how to use them, I've done a full-blown tutorial explaining everything that you need to know. Anyway, and now, let's move on. So, I featured this home screen setup in one of my top apps videos, and here's how I made it. The home screen is inspired from the Nothing launcher on the Nothing phone, and this setup essentially uses the no-think bespoke KWGT widgets. That's pretty much it. Most widgets are interactive, you can control music, see battery stats, and even initiate Google searches. So here's the app. It's got close to 23 widgets for now, and all of them look simply fantastic. They have this futuristic look, but with a hint of retro to it, and the black and red looks really classy to me. It's even got a calculator widget. Now there are also 9 wallpapers included in this pack, which automatically go really well with the widgets. But anything in grey should be good. Now I've used the Linux black icon pack for this, which by the way is paid, but you could just go for the free Zwart black icon pack, which would be a great substitute. But I just like Linux for its design language. It's slightly better and more minimal. Oh, and I will be giving promo codes for the no-think KWGT widgets, so you gotta stay tuned till the very end. Now, you might enjoy this home screen setup if you want your phone to look like an iPhone, even if it works like an Android. I've used 2 widget packs to get this iOS-style widget look, and the best part is that you don't have to shell out any money for this. There's a nice weather widget with some climate information, followed by apps that are most frequently used to waste time, and then some setting controls that are most often used. And then you've got the Google search bar, which of course is pretty handy given the number of times we all Google stuff in a day. Now these 2 widgets are from a free widget pack called the iOS 15 widgets. And then you've got these other 2 from Smart iOS style widget pack. It's not free, but I do have promo codes for that, and we'll talk about that towards the end of the video. So the iOS 15 widget pack, it's a free widget pack and it's a collection of about 40 widgets with a very subtle iOS flavor to it, and it's a pretty good collection of small-sized and big-sized widgets. The other widget pack, which is the Smart iOS style widgets, has a whopping 120 widgets that you could choose from. The collection is simply mind-blowing, and there are quite a few watch face designs that are available to be used as widgets. There are many color options, and the variety is great because it goes with so many kind of wallpapers as well. Now again, I do have promo codes to give away to you guys for this widget pack, so make sure you watch all the way to the end for more details. Oh, and the icon pack that I'm using is the Linux White, but you could also use Wycons, which is a free substitute. And guys, before we proceed, I want to quickly talk about the sponsor of today's video, iZ. It's a phone monitoring app for parental control that keeps track of everything on your child's phone to keep them safe on the internet. To try it out, I purchased the subscription at 30% off and got a confirmation mail sharing my account details and password to start access. After that, it was just about following certain steps to install. You basically pick up your child's phone or the target phone on which you want the tracking to be on and follow the process, which is actually pretty straightforward. And then you just open the app, give it all the necessary permissions, and once it's made completely undetectable and something that can't be uninstalled, the app simply hides itself. And right after that, as a parent, you get access to a dashboard that shows all the information about who your child's been speaking to, where they've been, phone information, and you can access all of these social media content. So it's really easy to keep track that way. You can go into text messages, go into email, and just have more details on contacts, calls, and GPS locations. And if you're interested, all relevant links will be in the description. Alright, third one. I'm calling it the Pastel Glass home screen setup. It uses these glass widgets which have transparency and they adapt colors to the home screen wallpaper automatically, like a lot of the Android 12 widgets do. I've kept it very simple with Linux black icon pack, and I've kept the icons nicely spaced out to avoid any clutter. I've got the Google widget, the weather widget, time and date, and a few quick shortcuts that you could be using most of the times. Now, this Glass 12 KWGT widget pack has a collection of 50 widgets that adapt automatically to the wallpaper's color. Now, you can turn that feature off in globals within KWGT if you want to, but these are actually really beautiful. You know, the glass blur effect on these widgets, it's just phenomenal. And the best part is, it goes on any wallpaper. And here's the last setup for this video, and this time I've used an entirely new widget pack called Leaf KWGT. And you'll see that even though the wallpaper is quite dark, but the entire setup has a very cheerful vibe to it given the bright widgets. And if you see, there are about 10 apps that are spread across the home screen setup, so you get quick access to your favorite apps from within these widgets. Okay, so leave KWGT widget pack. It's extremely loaded. It's got 130 widgets for a very small price. I do have promo codes for this as well, so you wouldn't need to purchase, but hang on till the end of the video to know how to claim. And these widgets have a random pop of colors that accent the otherwise bright white widgets. Now there are a few dark widgets in here as well, but mostly the bright ones. But mostly I'd recommend that you use these widgets with dark wallpapers. And obviously with 130 widgets, you've got a lot of variety and choice. Now all of these widgets are interactive. You can actually tap on these to get into respective applications, which is great. And then to complete the look, I went ahead with Linux white icon pack because I've already used this in so many setups. But hey, if you don't want to pay for this, you could go for Wycons, which is a free substitute and very close to the Linux white icon pack. And coming to the promo codes, these are the ones that I'm giving away on a first come first serve basis. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and DM me there asking me for promo codes to a specific widget pack only. That's it. And that's pretty much it, guys. These are the 4 home screen setups that I wanted to feature in this video. All links to the Nova backup files, to the KWGT widget exports, and to the wallpapers are in the description, so make sure you follow through. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.